Namaste. We'll be starting these episodes, which will take us through the journey of astrology for starters. Basically, at the end of all these episodes, you will at least learn to appreciate astrology in its scientific form. So let's begin. Often I'm asked a lot of questions on astrology. Some of the frequently asked ones are: is it accurate? Is it divine? Does it have link to Vedas? Is it a science? Is it connected to religion? Is it legal? And so many more. We will address all these questions and many more as we go along. So hang in with me. Now, maybe some of you know, but astrology originated in the Vedic era. And the one we are going to cover, the Vedic astrology, of course, there are many forms available. And it was passed on verbally before it got documented. Hence, when what is available in many books, in all probability, is an adulterated version of the original knowledge base in Vedic era. So it's very important that we refer to the right books when we are studying astrology. Now, when was it first, heard or said? It's a conversation between Maharishi Parashara and Maitreya. For some of you who are familiar with the Vedic era and the Maharishis in that, you would have heard of Parashara and Maitreya. If you know Mahabharata, you would have definitely heard of. These are very important people of that era, and it was a conversation between these two which actually got recorded, and it's today known as Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, BPHS, which is what we will cover in these episodes. So as I already pointed out, it is written from memory. So somebody heard it first, then they actually absorbed it, listened to it, they memorized it, documented it, and imagine the multiple translations from Sanskrit, classical to Sanskrit to probably Hindi, English, and so many more languages. So a lot of astrology depends on the books we read, and a good astrologer would definitely have a lot of practice behind her or him, a lot of research, and a good intuition. It's a conglomeration of these three qualities that makes the astrologers which we know are good. Let's now start connecting astrology with our day-to-day life. We will study in detail all the planetary positions of our birth charts, but there are 9 planets we'll talk about through our sessions: Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. The Indian names are Surya, Chandra, Mangal, Budh, Brihaspati, Shukra, and Shani. All of these are connected to the days we know in every week. So Jupiter connects to Thursday, Venus Friday, and so on. Similarly, all the planets connect to colors. So for example, Jupiter connects to yellow, Mars connects to red, and so on. So it'll be interesting if you observe your weekly life and you can connect with these colors on the days and see how you connect with the universe. We'll talk about these kind of practical aspects of astrology a lot as we go along. Astrology, as we know, is calculated on the basis of date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. So when twins are born, all three are common: date, time, and place of birth. So why do people born on the same day, place, and time still have different destinies? So that's the teaser I leave you with. We will answer these questions in the coming episodes. See you soon.